posting updates on Woody's progress once a week for the next 9 weeks. As you can see from this week's data, Woody pressed the buttons a lot less this week compared to last week. This is probably due to the fact that Woody had a puppy playdate almost every day this week, causing him to be extra tired, and the fact that the puppy playdates were generally during the time where he presses the buttons a lot. This week we will have a slightly different update format since we have gotten the camera working. A couple weeks ago we got a security/pet camera to record videos of the buttons instead of constantly having to whip out a phone because that is too complicated and we do not get as many good videos. So, after a couple weeks of trial and error, we have finally found a system that works, and this week we will be showing mostly video updates as opposed to me just talking. Let me know in the comments below which update format you like best, as these updates are for you.
Wanna play? Here. Play, boy. Yay. You wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? Okay, let's go. Good using your words. Yay.
Here's a sneak peek at some of the words we are brainstorming about introducing to Woody next. These are based off of what we think Woody would want and or need. So stay tuned to watch Woody learn some new words. That's all for this week's update. Hope to see you next week. Bye!